So alright, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time of seeing a content like this is the voice of Zion Logistics, and I'm going to be in a very quick one. I'm going to be showing you how you can download 𝐼DLE or 𝐶𝐻𝐤 app in a very short time, right? So we have two methods you can use to download it, right? So if most of you have been finding it difficult to download it on the Play Store and you don't see it there, wait, there is a way we are going to do it. Now the first thing is to come to your Chrome browser here. Make sure it's Chrome browser, right? So you can either download the APK, right? So you can say APK here. Just type what I typed here, 𝐶𝐻𝐤 APK. Don't say 𝐼DLE. The English name is 𝐼DLE. So this is it here. So type the APK, just type it the way I type it here, right? So after you must have done that, just scroll down here. You can easily download it directly from these sources, right? So this is the first one here. We have the first one in this website. You can download it on this website. You can download it here, and you can also download it here, right? So let me click on this first one here. Let me click on it. After I must have clicked on it, you can see it right here that this is the megabyte. This is the megabyte. I have 163 MB. So if I'm to click on download now, it will automatically download this tab, right? Let me close this guy here, and you will see that it will download this app for me automatically. So let me click on download. I think the download should start now. So if I'm to click on this guy here, the download should start downloading, right? So let me download it first. That's the first thing I need to do. So I'm going to click on this download button here to start the download, right? So in a very quick one now, it has already started downloading. This is it here. So let me click on it for you to see that this app is presently downloading. You can see it right here that this is the app, right? So I'm going to, in a very quick one, so the app is done downloading now. Let's click on it to install it, right? So I'm going to click on this guy. So you can see it right here. It's telling me to install. So let me click on install, right? So after I've already waited for a long time, it's going to install the app. Then once it's done installing, then I can have access to the app properly. I can start doing my registration on the app. So let me wait for this guy to install while I click on it and not open it. Then after that, I will show you the second method, which is on Play Store. Right, I'm going to be showing you how you can search for it. You must have been doing the mistake. You can type 𝐼DLE. You can also type 𝐻𝐤. It's not going to bring it, but I'm going to be showing you now. The app is done downloading. Let me click on open for you to see that I've already downloaded this app now, right? This is the app. So if I'm to click on, let me click on this yellow guy. So you can see it right here. This is the name of the app. You can see it that is showing there. So we have let me see, this is the app 𝐻𝐤, which simply means 𝐼DLE. So I want to click on allow. Then bam, our app is ready, right? It's telling us to sign up. So this is how to download it, right? Now for those who cannot go through this method, just go to your Play Store directly, right? Go to your Play Store. This is my Play Store here. So you want to search. There is a way you can use to search it. If you type 𝐼DLE here, it's not going to bring it. I've tried it. Now let's say 𝐼DLE. You can see it right here. It's bringing different apps for me, right? And if I'm to search for the Chinese name, which is what? 𝐶𝐻𝐤, right? This is 𝐶𝐻𝐤. It's not still going to show. You can see it right here. It's simply because I've already downloaded it. That is why it's showing here. That is why it's showing here. But if you want to get the correct this app, if you want to download it directly from Play Store, just come to this place, search for Taobao. Just type Taobao there. Type Taobao, right? Then search. It will automatically bring it. Just scroll down a little bit. You will see it here directly. You will see it here directly. You can see it right here. So that is the simple method you want to use to download your 𝐼DLE, right? So if you find this video very helpful, please like the video, subscribe and share. So I'm going to be leaving you with this video. Alipay is no longer on Play Store anymore, right? So I'm going to link this video on how you can also download Alipay. This one is not on Play Store at all. right? So I'm going to leave you with the link. Make sure you watch it and also install your Alipay app. Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial.